Shay Nation here with another Werewolf Transylvania video. We tried to pick werewolf, but we didn't get it. Sadly. We did get Voodoo Doll though. I don't know if you guys saw that. I didn't start it in time, I'm pretty sure. We're gonna go for Well Gold, Mushrooms. We're gonna look at Pirate Gold and Coffee, but it will probably already be taken by Krolgar or someone else. There's a bunch of decent people in this lobby. Nice, we got Well Gold. Yeah, Vagabond is someone I also recognize. Shoot, I missed that mushroom. Even if we don't get Pirate Gold, we might get the potion. Oh, no, okay. That's all taken. Coffee is probably also taken then. This is closer to vampirism. This guy is here. Yeah, he probably got those items. Oh, yeah, Krolgar took my coffee. Won't even bother basing here then. Kind of a rough start now. I wasted a lot of time checking all the hidden spots for things. This is actually kind of a terrible spot to base as a human.
Greetings, friend. Hello there. Job done. Welcome to our village. Welcome to our village. Greetings, friend. Hello there. Hello there. Greetings, friend. Welcome to our
But yeah, this game, this game is more similar to Vampirism Strike, or whatever the name of it is called. But it's also extremely different. You're a villager, and you have to find and kill the werewolf, and you don't know who it is. All you know is it's someone here, or it's someone in the game with you. But it can be anyone. So typically I start out with 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoot, I made too many. Anyways, yeah, so typically I will start out with setting up some coffee if I got a hidden item. If I didn't, it gets much... I don't know if this is it or not. Hopefully it is, because I really need an item to sell. Typically I'll start with farming and then either add on mining or add on just anything really. Do what I can to make money. Farming plus fishing is really good. Farming plus mining is good. Farming and hunting is good. Everything you can do which works well with farming is good. You always want to be farming, even when it's not even when it's not raining.
Greetings, friend. Welcome to our village. Hello there. Welcome to our village. Greetings.
Doing what we can to make money. You make a bit more money off of fishing than you do mining, I think. I'm not completely sure, to be honest. If someone is contesting the mine, then you can't. Oh, sorry. No, you don't really make tough walls and towers. It's more, get a strong economy by using your villager to do a profession that can be hunting, mining, farming, fishing or like trading using merchants. Farming and trading are kind of late game, while or farming can be early game too, but mining, hunting, all that stuff is all early game, and fishing is also very good in the early game. But typically what you're trying to do is you're trying to make a whole bunch of money, get an economy going by like getting lumberjacks, getting animals, getting plants, and then using that economy you're going to try and make an army, and you're going to try and find out, okay, who is the werewolf? You're going to do that by seeing people at night and then just kind of going down a list of people you've seen and people you haven't seen at night. No, you don't have to feed the villager. Farming and fishing and hunting, all of that, you end up selling what you get, and you sell that for gold. And then you use that gold to get lumberjacks, army, stuff like that. I'm just going to use one more bait unless I'm done here. Yeah, I'm done here. Now I'm gonna run over here and go get a pickaxe. Mining is actually, I feel like, much more efficient money-wise than fishing is. Like, yes, it's nice I get to do it right on my base, but oh shoot, it spawned over here for some reason. It's annoying. Or rather, mining is also nice. Get a pickaxe. Is this Minecraft? Yeah, pretty much. You just get a pickaxe and or a mining pick rather, and you start hitting ore, or rock rather. You get iron ore and gold. You can use iron ore to upgrade your character with a maul, and you can upgrade your attack and armor, sight range. Pretty nice stuff, but nothing that's super required. Like, you don't really need to get these things to be able to play. Just kind of nice things to have. You can, there's a couple strategies you can do in Werewolf Transylvania. You can do villager only. You can just play econ. How long before the werewolf finds you? The werewolf can find you anytime. If they see you while they're a human, then they can show up that night and fight you or whatever. Like, they can just try and kill you. If they find you at night, then they're going to be in werewolf form, and they'll likely immediately attack you. They don't have to, though. Typically the first night the werewolf won't want to try and kill anyone because it takes too long, and it doesn't help you as werewolf to kill someone in the first night just because of how long it takes. As the first night, you want to just try and kill as many animals as you can and level up as a werewolf. A werewolf should typically be between level 4 and level 6 on the first night. The best I've had is level 6. And the worst I've had is level 3, when you can't find any deer or like large amounts of animals. You get a really bad start as werewolf, which can be rough. It happens. You can get it a bit more consistent by exploring more in the day, or by rushing for a dog as a villager, and then using your dog to scout out areas.
Hello there. Welcome to our village. Hello there. Greetings, friend. Hello there. Welcome to our village. Greetings, friend.
So the werewolf could be finding me tonight. They might not ever find me. I'm not sure. I won't know until they just show up. How many do I have planted? 3? Okay. So you can only plant 3 of the same crop at a time. So, or sorry, 6 of the same crop at a time. So I have 3 blood roses up there, and I have 6 coffee here. So right now I have the most expensive plants. I have the most expensive plants all set up.
Hello there. Done.
About 1 too many.
Greetings, friend. Job done. Hello there. Hello there. Welcome to our village. Greetings, friend. Hello there.
Sounds like some people are dying or something.
Research complete.
Yeah, 1 person died. Teal died.
Welcome to our village. Job done. Greetings, friend. Job done. Job done. Job
Using a lighthouse to trade, get more money.
Hello there.
Werewolf still hasn't found me, which is nice. It means I can get a really good economy going.
Greetings, friend.
Hopefully.
Job done. Job done.
At the moment, I have a lot of animals, so
Hello there. Job done. Greetings, friend. Welcome to our village. Our allies' town is under siege. Welcome to our village.
animals are one of the best ways to make money in this game,
Hello there.
if not the best way.
Greetings, friend. Welcome to our village.
Farming is the quickest way,
Greetings, friend.
arguably the quickest way, with the highest investment to profit ratio,
Welcome to our village.
or cost to profit ratio. But animals also triple the amount of money you put in. It just takes a long time for you to get your investment back. And this guy's going hard on the hunting.
Welcome to our village. Greetings, friend. Hello there. Town is under siege.
I still have no idea who it is at the moment. I'm just trying to make lots of money.
Welcome to our village. Greetings, friend.
And I'm actually gonna move all of my animals over.
Hello there. Welcome to our village. Hello there. Welcome to our village. Is under siege. Greetings.
Move to a better place. One that's easier to protect.
Greetings, friend.
I have no idea what's going on in this game right now. Kind of confusing.
Welcome to our village. Job done.
We'll start getting our upgrades.
Upgrade complete. Greetings, friend. I can't build that. I can't build that. Job done. 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 Welcome to our village. Hello there. Job done. Job done. I can't build that. Job done.
Typically I wouldn't go ahead and make all that stuff because it's kind of a waste of time for how much APM you have to put into it. At least in my opinion, it's kind of a waste of time.
Greetings, friend. More lumber is required. Welcome to our village.
Alright. Only a couple items left to get through.
Job done. Research complete. Hello there. Job done. Welcome to our village. I can't build that. Job done. Job done. Job done. Job done. Build more farms. Greetings, friend.
Sell the crops that we have over here. I'm surprised it hasn't rained at all, I don't think. Do I have braces? I kind of do. I have a speech impediment anyways. But I have like 4 braces on the back of my teeth that I'll have for the rest of my life.
Welcome to our village.
But even without them, I had a speech impediment beforehand.
Hello there.
Along with the fact that I just suck at pronouncing words.
Welcome to our village. Greetings, friend. Welcome to our village. Hello there. Our forces are under attack.
Oh, werewolf. That's fine.
Welcome to our village. Hello there.
Maybe it's not fine.
Greetings, friend. More lumber is required. Hello there. Our allies' town is under siege. Welcome to our village. Hello there. Research complete. Welcome to our village.
That's one too far.
Greetings, friend. Our allies' town is under
And no, that's
Hello there.
one not far enough.
Greetings, friend.
Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, I messed up my building, that's why.
Job done.
There we go.
I can't build that. I can't build that. Job done. 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 Welcome to our village. Job done. More lumber is required. Hello there. Welcome to our village.
I don't think he can kill me. The werewolf, that is. Oh, well, that's annoying.
What? Yes, my lord. Hello there. More work, righto. Off I go then. Tree complete.
Oh, that's too bad. Might have been able to see him.
Greetings, friend.
Your game
Welcome to our
just won't update. Oh, okay. Yeah, that would explain why.
greetings.
Why you can't play like online or yeah, play actually a lot of these games.
What is it? Off I go then. Greetings, friend. Hello. Welcome to our village. Hello there. Greetings, friend. Welcome to our village. Ready to work.
Sell this stuff.
Research complete. Hello there. Greetings, friend. Ready to work. More lumber is required. Hello there. Research. Welcome to our village. Job done. Job's done. Job's done. Job's done.
Most people you knew used to use map hacks. Yeah, Warcraft was pretty popular back in the day for that. Actually, most RTS games had their fair share of map hacks.
Welcome to our village. Ready to work.
Made the games boring.
Research complete.
Yeah, a lot of games, or rather most games, especially in the RTS genre, are completely ruined via map hacks.
Hello there. Greetings, friend. Welcome to our village.
I'm gonna want some
Welcome to our village.
research before I
Hello there.
send those boats off.
Hello there.
Wow, it finally rained.
Welcome to our village.
Surprising.
Research. Greetings, friend. What you want me to do? What? All right.
Hasn't rained all game.
Greetings, friend. Research complete. Research. Hello there. Research complete. Hello there. Who you want me to kill? What? Who you want me to kill? What? Yeah. Welcome to our village. Greetings, friend. Research complete. More lumber is required. Research. Job done. Job done. Job done. Job done. Job done. Job done.
There's another gigabyte patch. Yeah.
Research. You want me to?
Yeah, they've been updating a good bit.
Welcome to our village. Who you want me to? Research. Welcome to our village.
This guy's not doing great. He's uber underleveled,
Hello there.
which makes me wonder if he is werewolf.
What you want me to do? What you want me to go? Welcome to our village. Greetings, friend.
I'll probably just espionage this night.
Hello there. Our town is under siege. Greetings, friend. Who you want me to kill? Hello there. Welcome to our town is under siege. What?
No, I don't want that. I want 2 more of that.
Who you want me to kill? Welcome to our village. Greetings, friend. Hello there.
Yeah, let's espionage now.
Hello there. Welcome to our village.
Yo, Phantom. What's up, dude? I'm doing a Werewolf Transylvania video. Alright, so purple, green, someone, and blue are all clear. Dark green and gray are questionable.
Hello there. Welcome to our village. Hello there.
Where? Okay, there it is. Okay. Those two go that way.
Our allies' town is under siege. Greetings, Your Highness. Greetings, friend.
Oh, I need my green silo. Rebuilt.
How you doing? Welcome to our village. Complete. Welcome to our village. Welcome to our village.
Spend money on another espionage, since I need to find out if it's dark green or gray. It's probably Krolgar, since people are claiming it's him. Yeah, so it's Krolgar. Stop inting people.
Our allies' town is under siege. I can't build that. Job done, job done, job's done, job's done. Welcome to our village. Research complete. Job done. Hello there. Greetings, friend. Upgrade complete. It's an honor to meet you. Hello there. Welcome to our village. More gold is required. Job done. Research complete. Job
Okay.
done. Job done. Job done. Job done. Our forces are under attack.
I didn't even see him. Oof.
Job's done.
Yeah, we had so many people hunting that game. Were you going for, like, spam villager health? Was that your strat? Yeah, okay. And then you're just gonna run around all game, I'm guessing? Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Tune into my Twitch. Please like and subscribe to get more Werewolf Transylvania and or Dark Ages of Warcraft content. Thanks. Have a good time.